Okay, 114. Our goal is to solve for x. Now here's where it's different. Look at this. This is where it's different. So where it's different right now, and I've got to think about this myself, is notice how we have this extra plus 2. I cannot just cancel these out. It will not work that way. Notice again how this is not part of the parentheses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and put them on the same side. So I'm going to choose to move this to the other side. So I have log base 7 of x minus 1 plus that extra 2 equals log base 7 of 4x plus 6. I'm going to move this quantity to the opposite side. Currently it's positive, so I'm going to subtract log base 7 of x minus 1. Subtract log base 7 of x minus 1. So 2 equals log base 7 of 4x plus 6 minus log base 7 of x minus 1. You're welcome to talk. Just as long as you're not logged, you can talk. Okay, so this right now is an expanded form. How do we condense it? Well, we have the same log base, and subtraction turns into division. Okay, now it's time. And by the way, some people prefer to rewrite it so that this is on the left and this is on the right. These are equivalent. They're the same equations. It doesn't matter. So when we write it, we're going to have a base, an exponent, and an answer. The 7 remains the base. We're going to go up and over the equal sign and grab whatever values. That becomes the exponent. I'm going to set it equal to 4x plus 6 over x minus 1. Now I know that 7 squared is 49. And I'm going to put 1 underneath. And now I'm just going to do quick cross multiplying to solve. So I have 49 times quantity x minus 1. And I know 1 times the quantity 4x plus 6 is just 4x plus 6. Let's distribute to get 49x minus 49 equals 4x plus 6. And now I'm just going to do some quick algebra. If I didn't do any math wrong, I believe before I reduce this, I get 55 over 45. And now I need to reduce this. I ask myself, okay, what number can divide into 55 that can also divide into 45? I really should look back at these answers to see is it reduced. It sure is. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to reduce this down. So if I divide this by 5, I get 11. Divide by this by 5, I get 9. So I believe that right now the answer is 11 over 9. But let's come back up here. If I plug in 11 over 9, so 11 over 9 is greater than 1 because 9 over 9 is 1. So this is slightly greater than 1. So something that's greater than 1 minus 1 is still positive. And if I take 4 times a positive number and then I add 6, it's still positive. So I feel pretty confident in my answer. Here's the correct answer. It is option C.